How to use SEMrush for ad campaign research. Wrist easy tutorial. Before spending $1 on ads, it's smart to know what's working in your niche. And that's exactly what SEMrush's advertising research. Tools deliver. Start by entering your competitor's domain in the advertising research section. You'll instantly see which keywords they're bidding on, how much they're spending, and even preview their ad copies. This alone can save you thousands in trial and error. Then go to the PLA Research tab if you're running e-commerce. SEMrush shows the exact product, listing ads your competitors are using, and which ones perform best. You'll see ad formats, pricing, and even which landing pages they're directing traffic to. Now it's time to build your own campaign. Use the keyword magic tool to find commercial intent keywords with high volume and manageable CPC. Combine this with the keyword gap tool to identify keywords your competitors are targeting, but you're not. In the middle of your campaign setup, don't forget, SEMrush has a free trial. The link is in the description. Test your ideas before launching full scale. And to top it off, SEMrush also includes display advertising. Insights, great for banner ads and media buying. You can see where competitors are placing their display ads and what creatives they're using. With a SEMrush, you don't just guess, you plan smarter. Spend wisely and maximize ROI.